Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is character sketch of M. Hamel in English from the chapter The Last Lesson by Alphonse Daudet. Mr. M. Hamel was a French teacher who had been teaching for 40 years in the school at Alsace. He was a strict teacher who always kept an iron ruler under his arm in order to punish the children for not doing their work. He thought for the welfare of the children and their better future. He was disciplined and honest towards his duties. Having heard about the order that came from Berlin, he got too depressed and emotional on his last day. He taught everybody the importance of his mother tongue and requested them to guard their language because it is the only key to escape from the prison of slavery. He was very honest, patriotic, and hard-working person. He believed that French was the clearest and logical language. He knew that was his last day in the school, yet he performed his duties seriously and taught his last lesson in the class with great patience, which shows how dutiful he was towards his duties. He held himself and the parent responsible for the poor performance of pupil of Alsace. All the students and villagers present in the class had tears and regret in their eyes for not knowing their own language. After teaching them the lessons, M. Hamel stood up and tried to say something, but his thought got choked. Then he bade farewell to the students by writing Vive la France on the board, which means Long Life France. Character sketch of French from the chapter The Last Lesson written by Alphonse Daudet. Little French was a student of a school in Alsace. M. Hamel was his schoolmaster. French was not a brilliant student. He did not prepare his lesson on participles. When he was asked to recite, he got mixed up and confused. Nor did he show any interest in M. Hamel's teaching. He was greatly scared of M. Hamel's scolding. He was always in dread of the great ruler that M. Hamel kept under his arm. French knew how cranky M. Hamel was. However, French had to change his opinion about M. Hamel. An order had come from Berlin that German language would be taught in the school of French district of Alsace and Lorraine. When he came to know that it was the last lesson that M. Hamel was going to deliver, his views about him changed. He began to respect the man who had spent 40 years in this same school. He felt sorry that he had neglected learning French. He shared M. Hamel's view about French. It was the most beautiful language in the world. It was a great pity that from the next day, Mr. Hamel would not teach them French. A new master would come to teach German. He sarcastically remarked, "Will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons?" Hamel came in his best clothes in honor of his last lesson. His views about French took a patriotic turn. He listened to M. Hamel's last lesson with rapt attention and respect. Therefore, we can say French is a good character in lesson, the last lesson. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.